Vlogmas. Day one.
First day of Christmas.
Give me one hand. White out like we use cakes up. No joke.
What the AC girl? You don't know no good girl, have they?
And your boy kept out there.
People they are back with
Another blazing
video. Some people actually can't see why the time.
Yes.
We are gonna do first vlogmas, I say.
Why people? First Vlogmas.
First vlogmas, people. You don't know what say. When I vlog, I say, I'm gonna enjoy vlog myself.
This one say. No like more vlog.
When I go vlog, so say I don't care for. I could try attempt.
Try.
Yeah, try the keyword, try
Yeah.
for the vlogmas this year photo. People may tell them, I'll be honest, I don't move capo.
No more.
You
here.
see?
More
The day
here.
when
No, we have to tell him.
yes, when time you start the vlogmas like so stop at the tree.
Yeah.
I kept a fat.
Why kept
When kept a mess up.
Anyway, here we now stop the Vlogmas. We're going to do all of this. We're going to try our best to make it to the 25th day of Christmas.
Yeah, guys, so for no say vlogmas I go from 1 to 25. Yeah. So,
Yeah, so here we guys.
as I say,
Me are going to need your help.
if you don't still so we are posting the next day, we don't know like that.
Yeah, look at scapegoat.
Me I want to read out, me I want to read. So
Yeah,
guys,
people.
as you can see by the title, we're gonna do
Christmas decoration. Yeah. To the tree there.
right, that's so. Yeah, guys. So I'm gonna tell you, we plan for decorate the whole up there, so you know. Up there, so you know. What's that meant to be? Because my sister make it clear, say, I catch me, I catch. So therefore,
That's
she.
not vlog, you know.
My sister make it clear, say, I catch me, I catch. And she don't want to be decorated in her house.
That was not what she said.
And she don't want to be decorated in her place. So therefore, guys, we have to just make it happen. Because I'm not going to make sure about my vibes. I'm not going to say, no, I'm not going to make sure about my vibes. Because AC gang ever try to elevate me and so. Yeah, I'm not pay them no man when you
So here, guys.
when you say ugly like.
We're going to make sure so that tree look proper this Christmas. It's our focus, yeah, so. So if you're new, what do you do?
Subscribe, please. Yeah, guys, we road to 100,000 subscribers.
Our aim of reach 100. I tell you, aim is the mountain help you know. Alright.
Wow, reach that by
100K
before,
the year,
yeah,
yeah.
before New Year start. You know, we know we're going at 2021 and still stuck.
Yeah,
at-
90 something.
Yeah, 90 something.
100,000 for the new year. Alright.
Guys, we're going to try to put our vlog, but come on, man.
Yeah, man.
Come
I
on,
put in the work for this
I
time.
put in
I
the
put in the
work.
work.
So we'll have to just help we reach where we are reach. We're going to get well.
Yeah.
Alright.
Make sure so you follow up on Instagram.
Right, now guys, right, now
Get
guys.
her to 1,000. Where what you want to go?
Right
Get her
about
to
now.
100,000. But you
Yeah.
got 8,000 now. You want to go 10K first, yeah.
Yeah, guys, make sure that you go over to Comedy Channel and then keep a Comedy TV.
And subscribe to
And
that.
subscribe.
Yes.
You want to go over to Abby's Madness, so the good girl. Keep up about the video.
You want to get a video?
Video, no keep up.
Come. No, sir.
Keep up again. It's
Come on,
hard.
this. Oh! And subscribe to Capos TV as well.
The
people.
dirty one where they keep up.
Yeah.
Yeah, and guys, if you're new and you hear me say I'm dirty and so,
Don't feel no way.
don't feel no way. That's how we talk and
Yeah,
go on. That's how we roll. Because some people take offense to when me can keep a dirty.
So nobody
Don't take
feel
it
like
personal. Every relationship different.
So here we know, guys. When you see back again, we're going to decorate the tree, right?
And good girl got change.
Yeah. So here we know. Hey, baby. Introducing Abby's Madness. Guys, the outfit here was made and designed by Abby Madness herself. Follow up on Instagram at Abby Atters. See there? Trouble the way. At them foot. Oh my. What you say? People. No joke, guys. No joke. Abby, sit down, you know, guys.
Sit right down.
Work on this, you know.
What?
Everything as she do.
Yeah.
Oh my God, man.
So guys, go pay attention to yourself. You know, good girl don't really catch on to most of the things they want. We can't go and talk to. No,
Now
really.
talk the truth, it's
Talk
bad.
to people. Talk to elastic bands.
No, damn.
Colors, different colors.
Guys, she go on with herself. She go on with fear herself,
Like
people.
so.
Yeah. Oh my, cute face too. Oh my. See that, guys? So, I'll be sitting on for it. Hit the like button, guys. Subscribe.
Subscribe now.
And just comment if you like it. Comment down below.
All of you don't like it, when you just tell me say I don't like it for me feel good.
Yeah,
Alright?
alright. But tell me if you don't like it. So comment down the capo. It don't look good enough. Tell her it look good. Tell her, guys. Don't be afraid to tell her.
Yeah, guys, so right about now, we're going to go for the decorations and right?
Decoration time, people. Yeah. Christmas goodies.
Christmas! Remember, we tell them so we are coming from there, we are vlog up the most phone.
Ah, chill. What else do you have? What else do you have? Tell me. What are those? What are those?
Inside us, so, I don't know, but we are going to vlog up the most.
Alright, my
We are
friend.
vlog up the most.
Is that most that we vlog this year?
Yeah.
Is that most that we do what?
Let's
Alright.
see.
Is that most that we vlog?
Oh, yeah, do it again.
Is that most that we what?
Vlog!
Okay. Alright, see that? See that?
You know what that?
I've been about the clothes make your body look extra little, so I don't know how video about it too much.
I like your thing.
Alright,
I
then.
don't know.
Alright, I eat a 5 out of 10 this.
No, man.
Alright, 5.5. Do something more. Oh!
10.
6. Make it go on. I can't get 10 of it.
10.
Alright, they get a 10. Minus 3.
How much that?
7.
Oh, pay attention in school.
Yep.
So guys, as you can see, I'm going to look at decoration. So what you call them again, Capo?
Christmas light ball, glistening ball, I don't know, disco ball, something.
What am I name again? Christmas bars. Yeah,
Oh.
bars. So wait. What for going first?
People are going first, because I'm not sure, but I feel like most of them have, we have more things.
And then we have the pepper light.
What going first? Paper light? Paper light, go on first.
Pepper light.
Paper light, go on first.
What is so that? What is it? Stay with me.
Yeah, so you know.
Yeah, guys, so.
Paper light, I go on first, guys.
Bring it on this, so. So, guys, we just put all of the Christmas lights outside. And you know, the wood girl have to drop the local cars, so can't thirsty liquor.
Yeah, guys, so right now, yeah, I'm gonna put on these ornaments on the tree.
Oh, ornaments, you know what I'm remember?
Ornaments?
It was so good. So, guys, we're gonna put on these ornaments on the tree.
So that you remember?
Yeah. Ornaments.
Yes, people.
Yeah.
So let's go.
Yeah, guys, so basically, as you can see right there, so. It have a little hole, you know, them couple of hole, so therefore we have to find one string and push it through the hole.
Yeah.
Right through.
Stay tuned. Stay tuned, people. Hey, let me rip my back, you know. Stand up straight.
What back yourself? Take it. Don't you look big now, people. Back you look big now, nah.
Thumbnail.
So guys, we're gonna reveal the tree in like 3, 2, oh my god, I was stiffing. 1.
So guys, after one heap of hard work, finally, the tree is completed.
People, I know good girl tired and good girl love work, but the tree be my bad.
Bad.
That's your bad.
So take a look. What do you think about it?
What is it?
Yeah, it's a snow white tree with gold and that kind of rose gold and
Rose
gold. and
gold.
thing. Yes, light pink, you know the thing go. Yeah, people. But the thing is, you have a little bowl right there.
Yeah.
But in the future,
No guys, we're not sure if I hope that this side for real if we're going on. We
Yeah, we're not
just
sure
see it
about
and say, Capo, I feel like this side for
Yeah.
go. And Capo say yes, and this side for
but
go.
we feel like I'm going to put that thing in the future. I don't know when I get to put it in now. And I open it like the tree.
I hate this.
Yeah?
I'm sure the fact I take it away.
But we need to show them the ultimate final look. I remember say, the people have turn on a bit.
Oh, so, alright, yeah, alright. So, I'm gonna lock off the ring light. So, guys, when I see the ring light, I turn off. Yeah. Right, so, light it up.
Wait, man, wait.
Baby, when the bright light starts to fade,
What you do?
fire up your lighter.
More. Sing louder.
Slow down with the way.
What else?
You made me feel
Where's the
lighter.
lighter?
Lighter! Lighter! Yeah, let's see if we can turn on. Let's see the ring light. Yeah. But we had to show a board with that light off.
Yes, man, see, you know. Bouncy.
Not I'm blinking.
Bomba, pretty bad man, abi.
I'm blinking.
Nice.
I'm blinking that.
Yeah. So guys, there you have it.
Yeah.
AC Gang tree for the Christmas.
Christmas tree, I saw.
Look nice, man. Nah, like it look good. It look good.
It look good.
It both it bad. It bossy bad.
Bad.
I should beat your body now, Abby, I tell you.
Watch
It bossy bad, Abby.
Indicate upon there.
We are indicate, say. Because I don't see nothing going around there, so. Oh, yeah.
It's a one.
At Christmas time, I don't try, I don't wash up. Yeah, guys. See there? You see bossy. It bossy people.
I is.
So that's what you can only think down below.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How much you rate it out of 10? How much you
Out of
rate
10?
the decorative skills?
Yeah, I want to rate Abby outfit.
As myself, when I like it, still say, when I like it, that's my feel
If
good.
you don't like it, roast her. Tell her you don't like it.
What's my right true? Yeah.
Christmas tree bossy.
But we are going to show them again. I like them not here. Christmas tree, do what you have?
Bossy!
Bossy now?
Bossy!
Are you supposed to cuss bad words?
What's the matter with that?
Come, do me.
Alright, Christmas tree do Abby.
Bossy!
Bossy no Abby.
Blood clean!
Bomba! Alright, pass on. Grab some money. Alright, AC gang.
This is the end of the video, guys. So,
Yeah?
open the edge, I will look first. So, because as I say, I try, look at things. I saw people will try.
Yeah, try thing, but me I do it.
No, I'm trying.
Like Nike.
Him not do shit. Only thing this boy do full of talk and the boy not action
I
for
did like
that.
Nike. I did like Nike, Abby.
Leave me alone.
So guys,
And guys, I want to go to the dirty boy prime. I want to go to my road time jazz. I want to go in and tear the whole of cuts and everything.
it's extra. You ready to just?
Yeah,
Yeah, people. So hope you enjoy this vlog. You know, day one.
open it. How about that? Say we still play with the ornament.
You have to go through 7 now. People step on the thing them. But Vlogmas day one is over.
Alright, so make sure you hit that one again. Subscribe if you're new.
Yeah.
Yeah, and to return the subscribers. Hello, look at this Instagram doing vlog man.
So see you in the vlog day too.
Yeah, guys, so
Yeah.
this is it. Yeah, you know. So until then,
AC gang is
with 7.
out.
Bye.
7 give the camera. 7 give the camera.